Brain, love-hate relationship. Jimmy, 2 vodka shots, please. Hi.
I'm sorry?
Why?
Why what?
Why are you sorry? I just said hi.
I don't know. I didn't know if you were talking to me.
Really?
Well, I didn't want to assume.
Take a leap and assume that someone is talking to you in an otherwise empty bar.
Sorry, anyway. Hi.
Mind if I sit? Just so I don't have to scream. Not that I don't have to scream sometimes, believe me. I don't want to bug you if you're trying to write or something.
No, it's fine. I just, I probably don't have much to say.
So...
It's okay.
Just, chat a little. Wait for the rain to stop. So, where are you from? I mean, if that isn't too personal for you.
Rockville Center.
Get out. Me too. What are the odds?
I think I recognize you. I noticed when you walked in. You work at Borders, right?
That's me. Book slave there for like 5 years now. I try to hide in the back as much as humanly possible.
See, I think I recognized your hair. The blue left an impression on me.
The hair. Blue. It's called Blue Ruin. The color. Snappy name, huh?
I like it.
Yeah, the company's got a whole line of colors with equally snappy names. That'd be a job, huh? Coming up with those names. How do you get a job like that?
You think that could possibly be a full-time job? I mean, how many hair colors could there be?
Someone's got that job. Agent Orange. I came up with that one. Anyway, the color possibilities are endless, and I'd be great at it.
I'm sure you would be.
My writing career. Your Hair, written by Clementine Krasinski. No. I've tried all their colors more than once. I'm getting too old for this, but keeps me from having to develop an actual personality. I apply my personality in a paste.
See, I doubt that.
Well, you don't know me, so you don't know, do you?
Sorry, I was just trying to be nice.
Yep, I got it. My name's Clementine, by the way.
Joel.
No jokes about my name, but you wouldn't do that. You're trying to be nice.
I don't know any jokes about your name.
Huckleberry Hound.
I don't know what that means.
Huckleberry Hound? What are you, nuts? Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine.
Sorry, it's a pretty name though. Means merciful, right?
Yeah. Although it hardly fits. I'm a vindictive little bitch, truth be told.
See, I wouldn't see that.
Why wouldn't you see that?
I don't know. You seem nice.
Now I'm nice? Well, don't you know any other adjectives?
Anyway, sorry.
Nice just doesn't seem like a particularly interesting thing to be. What is nice, anyway? I mean, other than an adjective. It could be an adverb, sort of. Nice is pandering, cowardly, and life should be more interesting than that. Jesus God, I hope it is. Someday. I don't need nice. I don't need myself to be it, and I don't need anyone else to be it at me. Joel. It's Joel, right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry I yelled at you. Was it yelling? I can't really tell. I'm a little out of sorts today.
It's okay.
My embarrassing admission is I really like that you're nice. Right now, I mean, I don't know what I'm going to like from one moment to the next, but right now, I really like that you said that's okay to me. That was nice of you.
Well, I really have to get back to.
Oh, okay, sure. I'll just stop. Take care then.
I'll probably see you at the bookstore.
Have you ever danced in the rain?
Not since I was a child.
Come dance.
I don't really.
Oh, come on, Joel. This is probably going to be the highlight of your day. No, week. Maybe month. No, who knows, year.
I doubt that.
I don't.